here's where I maybe tighten up the script, because I don't think it has to be 20 seconds, right? Like, let's say I'm trying to get Ellis on my team. Beep, boop, boop.
Okay.
Ellis answers, hello, Ellis, Matt Easton over here at Easton Financial. As promised, calling to see if it makes sense to have you come over to our team so we can finally get you across the goal line on that $275,000 income goal and put you in a place where you feel respected and you're not going home with a headache every day. Pause. Right?
All right, so nothing wrong with saying all those words. They
Yeah,
say
I
hello, and then you say all those words.
Correct, because here's the, and Mike, you bring up such an excellent point. You're like, should I go through all those words? My answer is yes. Why? You're not just saying words, you're not giving them a sales pitch, you're repeating what they told you was going on in their world, right? They're making 150,
Right.
They want to get to 275, they're having migraines, they're not getting support on their deals. Okay? I would rather, and it's just me, okay, and it's done all right by me in the sale, I would rather be the surgeon that surgically sticks on the deal instead of starting with, hey Ellis, man, happy Tuesday, I guess we could call it Monday because we had the holiday weekend. Did you do anything fun this weekend? And it's like, that's not germane to the conversation, right? I would rather be like, hey Ellis, Matt Easton over here with Easton Financial, as promised, calling to see if it makes sense to bring you over to our team, right? So we can finally get you with the support that you need to go from 175 to 250, and most importantly, start enjoying your personal life again, right? I'm just going to try and hyper summarize the statement, and then I'm just going to shut up, right? And then Ellis is going to be like, yeah, congratulations, you made a great decision. What happens next? I'm going to because we probably already I'm going to resend you that offer packet. Can I have you just, I'm going to send it right now. Well, I got you on the line. I just want to make sure it hits because you already sent it, right? Boom. Oh yeah, there it is. Perfect. What happens next? We're going to need you to XYZ and ABC on the DocuSign and the 1, 2, 3, right? Welcome aboard. Bah, 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 bah. That's how I would do it, because the small talk is just a way of us, like, we're nervous and we don't want to talk about really helping them. So we leverage on the small talk too much. And I would much rather focus, I think they're going to be much more impressed in this world, like you just sticking on the topic.
All right.
Yeah.
Very satisfying answer for that.
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.